Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to write each answer using fractional exponents. Okay? So, radicand will stay the same. Remember, exponent is the numerator of my fraction and index is my denominator. I can reduce this fraction and I can say this is x 1 over 2. This is the answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I'm supposed to copy down a because a is by itself, and I have b 2/4. Remember, exponent is the numerator, index is the denominator. I can reduce this fraction and I'm going to have a, b, 2 and 4. Both of them are divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to have 1/2. This is the solution to my second problem. Let's take a look at this example. Okay, I have square root of 5. I can write this as 5 and 1/2. Remember, the exponent goes to the numerator, index goes to the denominator, and everything is raised to power 4. Because I have fraction in the parentheses and I have whole number outside, so that's why I'm going to convert this one to fraction 2. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator is going to give me 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. That's why I'm going to have 5 to the second power, which is equal 25. Let's take a look at this example. I have x 7 over 5. Exponent goes to the numerator, index goes to the denominator. That's why this is the solution to my problem.